Hello guys, Outlaw FPV here, and today I'm gonna guide you through how to set up your Taranis with RDS simulator. It's gonna be a quick tutorial because you need to do some modifications in your radio so it will get recognized properly, and those include setting 2 static channels and also setting 6 channels with 50% offset and 50% reduced treble. So let's do it. First off, you turn on your radio. And after you turned it on, you connect it to your computer. It's important to turn it on and then connect it, because if you connect it first, the radio won't turn on even if you move the button. So I already created a new model. If you haven't, go ahead and do so by pressing menu, moving down an empty slot and press create model, and then exit the wizard because you won't be needing that. But I won't do that, I already have done it. So let's just move into this model by page, and as you can see, we are on the mixer tab right now, and this is what you need to do. So set up 6 channels and then 2 static channels. Now I'm gonna show you how to set up the static channels, but I've already done so. So here it is. I just move to channel 9, press enter, set the source to channel 9 or whatever channel you are on. If you're on channel 7, then this will be channel 7, but it's not so important. So done. You reduce the weight to 0. It's 0 now, and offset it by 50. Okay, and that's all you need to do. So go ahead and do that for channel 7 and 8. You don't need to do it for 9, but since it was already done for me on these 2 channels, I did it on channel 9, but you don't need it. So once this is done, let's head over to curves. You see, I've already created CV1, and this is the kind of curve you'll need. So head into CV2, for example, because I've already done it on CV1. Reduce the count to 2 points, leave point 1 on 0, go to point 2 and put that on 100. So with this, we are effectively moving the treble from minus 100 to plus 100 to 0 to 100. So it will be half the treble, and center will be at 75, and that's exactly how RDS sees it. RDS doesn't see the lower 100, so the lower half of the whole deflection, it doesn't recognize it. It only recognizes the top part, so the second half. So from 0 to 100. So 75 will be the center. Once you've done this, head back to mixer, and you apply this curve to all of these channels. So from channel 1 to channel 6. Press edit, and when you haven't applied anything, this is how it will look like. It will say diff 0, but that's not what you need, so you click enter on diff, head over to custom, press the down button, click enter, and put CV1 or CV2. I've done CV2, but you do CV1 because you probably won't have anything there. So press it and apply it to all of these channels, and also nothing will be here when you start the setup. I'm gonna show you how it will look like. So this is how it will look like. You press enter, go on source, and move the button you want to use for your AUX one. I'm gonna use SE. Head over to channel 6 and move the switch you want to use for AUX 2. I will use SG. So yeah, this is how it will look like. And since you have just done these, I'm gonna apply the curve to them too. So yeah, custom curve 1. You don't need to apply anything for these two channels because they are static, they're just there, so RDS won't mess it up. So you exit, go to channel monitor, and check out if everything is alright, and it is. You see, I've centered all of the 6, everything is on 50. If I deflect it fully, everything is on 0. Deflect it fully to the other side, everything is on 100. This is how it will look like. And if it looks like this for you, you're good to go. So let's put the transmitter aside for now because you're done with the initial setup. I'm gonna move the laptop closer. Adjust the camera angle a little bit. Yep, like this. I think this is good to go. Yeah, you can see it properly now. So you press start calibration and the configurator will tell you to center all of your sticks, center all of your 3-way switches, so just switch them to the center and leave your 2-way switches in the natural position. So go ahead and do that. It's very important for you to do that. So as you can see, I've done all those. Everything is centered. So I'm gonna do and continue the setup. You click next. If you have done everything alright, the calibration process will look exactly like this. You see, the channel moves by itself now because nothing is assigned to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and move the throttle now. And as you can see, it recognized it. And now throttle moves accordingly to my stick inputs. As you can see, the motor spool up there. It's a nice little drawing there. So you'll see the 3D model. And after you have done it, center your sticks, center everything. It's important for you to do that. Click next, move the yaw, or rather, recognized, so you can click next. But after each step, you always center your sticks and your switches. Next, I'm gonna move my aileron, my elevator. Got recognized, center it back next, move my aileron now. Got recognized, so next. Now I'm gonna move my aux switch. This is aux 1, got recognized, so you center it back. You know, everything shows 1500 here, and that's how it should supposed to look like when you center them. Click next, move aux 2, got recognized, next, and if everything looks okay here, you save, and now you test it out. Move all of your sticks, and if it moves exactly how it moves on your transmitter, you're good to go. If everything is reversed, for example, when you have your throttle in the down position, but here it shows this, so it's basically reversed. When you put it down, it's on full throttle here on RDS, then you just click invert and you're good to go. You can do this for all of the channels, really doesn't matter. You can check out the little 3D model here if it works alright, and it does work alright for me. Little acrobatics. Inverted yaw spin. Okay, let's go ahead and test it out. So you click exit here and it's gonna take you to the simulator immediately. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you how it works. The rates are not set up yet, so it's gonna look wonky. And also my computer is not plugged in, so it's kind of lagging, but yeah, it works. And I'm just gonna crash it into the ground because with these rates I'm not gonna be able to land. Or maybe I will. Yeah, I was able to land. So yeah, that's all you need to do, and you're done. So thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, or you can also share the video. And if you hated it, you can just dislike it. So that's all. Thank you for watching.